Come on, buddy, let's go get your goggles. You ready? Oh, it's cold. Jack, I'm going under. I'm going under, you ready? Tube slides. That's what we just climbed up. Crazy. And there's where we're going. Wait, Jack. So long. Go have a seat. Have a seat, but don't go. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, here we go.
Okay, keep standing up, sir. Wait for the free lights and then you can sit down.
Okay, thank you. Here we go, everybody. So long. Woo! Whoa! Coming in the air, let's go! Oh, what'd you think, Jack? I made it all the way to the steps. Hi. So long, Jack. See you at the bottom. There he goes. I'm ready. How are you?
Good.
Thank you. Having a good day?
Well, it'd be better if I wasn't at work.
Oh,
I love my job. I love
it is good though, right? Yes!
I'll get a tube up here and take it down.
I know, thank you.
There you go. Have a seat.
Appreciate it.
Off you go. Enjoy
Thank you. See ya.
Bye.
Woo, here we go, guys. Open air. Whoa. 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 Oh, that's a light little dip. Oh, okay. Somewhat little soft. I'll splash myself.
John, where's the splash?
Whoa. I'm about to fall out of this thing to make it more exciting. Oh, whoa. Woo. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, what a drop. Woo. 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 Well, that wasn't really all that great. There goes Jack floating away in his tubie. Those tubes left some marks on your back, dude. That's funny. Are you trying to get me stuck?
Yes. Trying to get you stuck.
Ah!
No!
On our own. We're having a good time. There's your salads. Just getting out of the heat. Nice and hot. That's good. Huh? Oh, my skis! My skis!
Dad, look, you're a girl. Dad, you're a girl.
What? Crap!
Boy, I'm a boy.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Oh. Jack. It's free.